Welcome to our real estate chatbot preview. This chatbot is designed to simplify how clients explore various services within the real estate industry. It begins with a warm welcome message followed by a main menu that offers 5 service options: buy a property, rent a property, sell a property, FAQs, and property listings. When a user selects the buy a property option, the chatbot immediately asks a few basic questions, such as the type of property they are looking for and their budget. Based on the inputs, the bot provides a summary along with relevant property search results. The user is then given two options: interested or not interested. If the user selects interested, the bot shares the key details of that property and offers additional actions such as schedule a viewing or speak with an agent. If the user chooses schedule a viewing, the chatbot collects essential information, including the preferred date, time, and the visitor's name. Once the details are submitted, the bot instantly generates a complete summary of the request and delivers a confirmation message. This process ensures a smooth, quick, and professional experience for anyone exploring or booking real estate services. Now that we have explored the chatbot preview, let's look at how to install a template in iHakimi. From the dashboard, navigate to the template store. Here, you will find a wide range of multi-industry templates. Select the template you would like to install and you will be taken to the installation screen. On this page, you will see a short summary of the template and its basic content. Click Next Step to continue. In the next step, you can either choose an existing bot or create a new one. After selecting the bot, copy the template you want to install and click Create Bot. A new folder containing the installed template will automatically appear inside your selected or newly created bot. Now, let's step inside the Flow Builder. This is where our start node resides, the point from which every chatbot conversation begins. From here, we access the welcome node and the main menu options, all of which can be customized based on your business needs. Each menu option opens its own individual flow. Within these flows, we can display all types of content such as images, videos, PDFs, and more through different nodes. This structure makes it easy to create rich, interactive, and fully customizable chatbot experiences. And that completes our walkthrough of real estate chatbot, template installation process, and flow builder overview.